What's good, Ram Gang? It's your boy Lil Ram. We back with another vlog. Tell them it's good. You got cheese everywhere, girl. You got cheesy everywhere, girl. Got two of these plates right here for like five something. I ordered DoorDash the other day, and half my wings were raw in the middle, so they gave me return the cash to my card and gave me like half the order, how much the order was in DoorDash points, rewards, whatever, right? So I got this shit for like $5. I just told this girl to close the fridge door, right? Tell me why this girl closed the fridge door with her in the fridge door. Girl, what you doing?
I want to play in it.
You want to play in it? Girl, you can't play in the fridge.
Oh, it's cooking it.
Oh, well, you gotta get out, girl.
It's cooking it.
You need to be in the cold or something?
Yeah,
Yeah, well, you getting hot?
too hot.
It's too hot. Yeah. It's Texas heat, girl. Ain't no joke. Yup. That's what I'm saying. But you can't be hanging out in the fridge, girl. You can't play in the fridge. That's where your food go. That's not where you go. Yeah, you're not gonna play in that fridge. Come on. Well, now I'm gonna have a fridge problem with this little girl. Cause now she just wants to sit in the dang fridge, girl. Get out that fridge. Close this shit. Close the door all the way. Push it closed. It's not closed. Hey, it's not closed. Go close the door. You're lucky I love you. You're lucky I love you, girl. You're lucky I love you, girl. You hear me? You're lucky I love you. Have a toe. Have a toe. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you drop your bobble. There you go.
Image.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone now. Girl, I turned on the water to fill up your bath, not fill up your bobble. Yeah? Yeah. We're making a new recipe today for these crackheads out here. Got a new recipe coming. Okay. I'm not sure what color we making it. You can't see it that good because of the bubbles. But there's some pinks, some purples, some blues. There might be an orange tab in here. I don't know. But we'll see what color we get this time. Girl, that's got soap in that bottle. Don't drink that. Get you a baby that cleans up herself. Ain't that right, Amps?
Hurry.
You funny, girl. You fun.
Hurry.
So you just gonna take the dirt and push it that way and then pull it right back, girl?
Okay.
This girl crazy as hell. Not Empy, but Empy's mom. Gotta make sure she's not paying attention. This lady crazy as hell. She sent me a video of some lady crying that her daughter or whatever, the daycare or babysitter called that the daughter, the 3-month-old daughter died in a mop bucket or playing in a mop bucket or something. Said, this is why I need child support, so I don't gotta go to work and we don't have to worry about that with Empy. First off, just because you get child support, that is nowhere near enough to be able to just not go to work. Second off, I can't say that second part. Dude, you crazy, lady. You crazy. She acts like as if that's not more likely to happen with her than at a daycare or babysitter. And she acts like she does any primary parent stuff to be able to deserve child support. Ampy, where are you, girl? Where could you be? There you are! You are hiding. Got your nerds? You got your nerds? Her mama wants to get her excited with expensive ass crab legs. Literally all you need to do to get this girl excited is offer her literally anything. You don't need to go get a not even 2-year-old on crab legs. You're gonna get them hooked on something that if you keep up the way you live it, you can't afford anyways. I don't know who thought it would be a good idea to let this girl get nerds. I just swept this floor while she was in the bath real quick. And now she got nerds everywhere. Empty! No, girl! No! Girl, you weird. I love you, but you're weird. Oh, you're slipping. You gotta fix your feet. 3, 5, 4, bum. Girl, you funny. 3, 5, 4, bum. Well, now you're going to one foot again? You funny, girl. It's funny, she's watching Toy Story, and that's where I get the riding on her foot that she always wants. Do you need me to ride on your foot because you're watching this movie, girl? Well, she don't give a fuck what I got going on. Let me stop this before Disney copyrights me and takes down my video.